Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can record your screen for free. In this software you can record unlimited video and with no watermark. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. First I'm going to open my browser. Then here search this free cam screen recorder. After that, go this first link freescreenrecording.com. Now here we need to enter our email address to download this software. After download, I'm going to install this. And I'm going to click on launch. But I'm going to close my browser. And now we are going to create new recording. From here you can adjust your screen. You can also write your size. But I'm going to OK with this. And now I'm going to click on recording. But if your mic is enabled, then you need to unmute this. So you can see my mic result. So I'm going to record my screen. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is demo video. Hello everyone. This is demo video of our screen recording. So after done that, I'm going to stop this. So then we need to save our video, save as a video, or you can directly upload in your YouTube. So I'm going to save as a video. Let's export my video. After that, I'm going to open my video. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is demo video. So now I'm going to go to properties and see my video resolution. So you can see my video resolution and frame size. So guys, in this way you can record your video with this screen recorder. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you learned something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.